Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm glad to have you here and thanks for watching. Alright, today's video I'm going to take you through how to make a thumbnail for YouTube using CapCut. Are we together? Before that, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Let's go to CapCut. I'll show you how.
We open CapCut, go to new project. We're gonna select our background which we downloaded from Google. You select it, then you click on add right here. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to aspect ratio, click on it, then select 16.9 as that is the standard for YouTube thumbnail size. Then you can drag the image to fit the canvas like that. So we're gonna start with add me in. Go to overlay, add overlay, then I'm gonna add myself in. Click on add. Here we're gonna remove the background. Scroll until you find remove BG. Right here you click on it, then auto removal. Boom, background removed. Now you can pinch your fingers to increase the size. Then you can place it in the thumbnail section right here. Now we can go ahead and add another element in just by clicking on overlay, add overlay. Then we pick our CapCut logo, then we click on add. Let me use my fingers to resize it. I place it where I want it to be. So after that we go to text, add the text, then we write our thumbnail. We go ahead to fonts, but make sure the thumbnail text are bold enough and easy to read. Let me select steady. I'm gonna go to style and choose pre-designed black background with white text. I just go to canvas, I increase the size, also the height, I increase it. Once done, you click on the check mark. Then we're gonna add another element called tutorial. For this, the text we're gonna make it black, and also the canvas and background white like so. Then we place it here down, click on the check mark, we go back. Make sure they are centered properly. So we have our beautiful thumbnail. So to get this in YouTube, just click on this full screen button. Then we take a screenshot. You can go ahead and crop it. Once done, we're gonna head over to YouTube Studio. Click on it, you'll be able to access your video. So you click on the pencil icon. You also click on the change button. Now here I'm able to select my thumbnail. I select it. Again, I tap on the select icon. Now I have my thumbnail set, just ready for YouTube. That is it. Hope this helps. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.